As this quick one, everybody is trying to talk about Habiba Sinari. Advice being suggested something come in northern being be 5 northern regions. This is not a case. Kaya to actually now we don't need to talk about this. Someone married for money. So like that is who we are. We are very difficult to assure people. We are very difficult to go diggers. Dagbanga be northern. To yellow to pump like a park go my jamil life. Beka kanante like sometimes cutting them non difficult. I have new swap to nye dagbana. If you are not well trained, you can be a northerner. We are not difficult. We are disciplined. We are not tough to deal with. We are tough dealing with ashawo people. We are tough dealing with like cheaters, like flirting girls. Like we don't tolerate it. We don't just marry someone into our house and you just be dead. Like there's no president in that country. There's no law in that country. No, we have law in the north. Like we don't just come up to north trying to do some flesh things and just go free. Yeah, if you are not well trained, we will train you for your family. Like what you are boasting of at the end, you were educated for something and you are not being able to use that thing to fool us. You married for money. You didn't come with love. I swear. If you came with like love, you should have stayed. Anytime she's discussing this issue, she wants to feel like leaving Majid Waris was the best option. I think that is not the only past of you, but why do you keep on repeating or discussing it? That means there was an interest. It was just like there was a school you attended, maybe looking for a class degree and you didn't achieve. I believe anytime it will trigger you to talk about it. For like you came for something which you never achieve because we are not stupid. That's what makes us difficult. You know, when you were even in school, those stubborn teachers that we used to talk about, 100%, like 80 or 70 of them, they were very smart and brilliant. They were good in their topics. So some of their discipline make us students to believe that they are tough and they are difficult to deal with. They like it wasn't like that. They were just trying to be strict and like to be on the right path. I believe you are even a northerner, but if you are saying we are difficult to deal with, I believe the vice versa would be like Southerners are better. This John Mahama, Mahmoud Bawumia, Haruna Idrisu, and co. Their wives are not northerners, but they are being able to cope with them. Maybe some of them even married before you find your relationship with Waris up to date. Some of them are still living a happy married life. So the blame is not on northerners. Is on you, because if it were to be on northern, we have the likes of you marrying northern men, and I believe you are not the only parrot to be announcing this thing. And I believe you can boldly tell us you've achieved or you have something better than Miss Lordina Mahama, Samira Baumia, and Haruna Idrisu's wives. I've forgotten her name. Like many of them, they were even married like long ago before you even find your relationship with Waris. Let's forget of them all. I can believe now you are saying you are better than your own mother who gave birth to you, who married a northerner. And if northerners are tough and difficult to deal with, I believe it shouldn't be all northerners, like our toughness and difficultness shouldn't be on only your family. And all northerners cannot be hard on only your lineage. We should get like 2 or 3 likes of you to also just come out and say this was my experience. This is about VAR. You have to check yourself before checking northern men. You are not the only person in Ghana who is married to a northerner. Your issue cannot just generalize everybody to be tough in the northern region. This issue is not about northerners. It's about you checking yourself and maybe checking your lineage. Maybe you have something in the blood that doesn't cope with northerners. Like the way you are just speaking, from your stubbornness, from your disrespectful life. And we are northerners. We are the Bamba. We are the Zabasi. And we are the Konkombes. We are the Grunsi. And we are the Wales. We hate nonsense. We don't take that stupidity of just this from life, my English, what do they say? I'm short of words because I'm not a English speaking man. Like that grandmother, a woman that tebe dear lie to a this time come a current era. Ben Shadan Canada parent them, we don't tolerate it. Yeah. And I'm speaking this for our other tribes in the northern region because we Dagombas and you, because like you are a Moshi lady, we are playmates, so you can just generalize it that you have the right to say and any other thing. And whatever I say here, if you feel it hurts you, just as you say. Some people say we should take it as Moshi and the Gomba play. So if it hurts you, you have no option to just also take it as a Moshi and the Gomba play. Peace out. Until